Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can determine various measures of qualitative variation using Excel and my stikpetE add-in. If you haven't installed my add-in, you can get it from my GitHub account. Here's the link. Once you've downloaded the file, you can open Excel, go for File, Options, Add-ins, and then look for Go. Then click on Browse and go to your downloaded file, and it should install. If you don't want to use my add-in, I have a separate video on how you can perform all of these measures, because there are quite a lot, about 25 that I'll discuss in a separate video. Now, once you've installed my library, we can go and show you how you can use and obtain these values. Here's my example data, and the function of interest is MEQV. I'll make it slightly bigger for you. So it takes in the data. The default is to calculate the Freeman variation ratio, but you can specify any measure you like. Here is the full list of all the different ones you can actually use. And some of these will require some additional parameters, so that's what var1 and var2 is for. So don't select the entire column, just really specify the range from, in this case, A2 till A1942, if I'm not mistaken. Now you can see here, I'm simply using here the VR, but I can change this, for example, to var NC, and it will always spit out the value. So a 2 rows by 3 columns. The first column will have the value in the second row, the name of the measure. You can of course make this slightly bigger for how much is needed, and it will actually also show the source that's needed, or that was used, sorry. And that's how you can actually calculate all of these. You can just choose any, and it should give you each time the correct result. Alright, I hope this was helpful, and thank you for watching.